What's up? Good morning, guys. Hope your day is going well so far. We're going through some consolidation in the market, some sideways trading, and that's okay. Anytime you go on one of these rip roaring runs like we have been over the last week and a half or so, you need to have some cool down periods. And like I cautioned yesterday with Shiba Inu, that's exactly what we're doing right now is we are kind of sticking in this 5078 to 5080 range. All right. We have actually done this historically. Shiba Inu is in fact doing this once again. Now, I did notice something in the charts. There's very interesting parallels that we've seen throughout 2023 every time SHIB has gone on one of these massive parabolic runs. And I caught some flack yesterday for saying this is a parabolic run. Guys, parabolic is a shape. It doesn't have to do with a percentage gain. It has to do with going from basically flat to exploding vertically, exponential growth. Okay. So, boom. Anyways, I just had to get that out there. So, what we're seeing right now is, again, this consolidation in this range here. And we are, in fact, it's looking like we're destined to make this bullish cross here, okay? So this will be the third time that SHIB has done this year. It did it back again in late July going into early August. It did it back again in early January as well as we started to make this run to the upside. Now, I noticed something interesting in looking into these charts, and that's that every time we got into this bullish cross, this overall change in sentiment when it came to SHIB, we were actually going through consolidation. So you can see we went on this massive run in early January. As we got up to that point, right as we hit this bullish cross, we consolidated for a few days. We tightened, we dropped slightly before extending and continuing to move to the upside. If you fast forward to August or late July, early August, you can see same exact thing happened. As soon as we got to this point where sentiment was changing, we were flipping from bearishness to bullishness, we started consolidating. In fact, we traded sideways for about a week there before we ended up again exploding to the upside. Now, there's no guarantee that we're going to do this. We're testing a few things here again. Well, like I mentioned yesterday, we are sitting at the very tip of what we've seen in terms of global market cap of crypto in 2023. BTC is sitting near its all-time high for the year, okay? We have a lot of things that we have to break through right now. Obviously, this is the first time we're consolidating above this long-term trend line. This is, again, where we've finally seen this shift from overall bearishness in the crypto market to overall bullishness. Apart from maybe early January, again, that wasn't enough to break the long-term trend line, though. So these are very different times right now. We're kind of in uncharted territories, at least for the time being. We're going to need a little bit of direction here. We, again, are going to need BTC to kind of make waves in the market, show us what direction we're headed. Wouldn't be surprised, again, if we consolidate a little bit longer this time, but at the same time, I wouldn't be surprised if we pump. This is why I said I'm just kind of sitting on my hands. We're seeing some great signs in the market, but at the same time, I'm not going to be buying when the market is overbought. We can obviously see that on the RSI here. BTC is showing overbought right now too, and people are paying attention to this. People with the big money right now, there is some profit taking going on, and that's fine. Profit taking is important. If you haven't been doing so, I'm not going to recommend you do so. That's completely up to you guys. I'm not a financial advisor, but we'll just have to monitor this as we go into the weekend. We have obviously the potential to consolidate more. Again, we're at the tip of what we've experienced throughout 2023, but times are in fact changing. We're closing in on the halving. The bull market's coming. So a lot of great things that are coming down the pipeline that are obviously going to be very beneficial for SHIB. So thought I'd appreciate that, or I thought you guys would appreciate hearing that. Again, we're doing it once again. We're doing what we've done historically. We'll obviously see if this plays out the same way. SHIB tends to mirror itself, so we'll just have to be patient and wait and see. So appreciate you guys as always. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Show your support below. Let me know your thoughts, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.